Welcome back to Lux Auto X, where we bring you the best in luxury, performance, and design straight to your screen. If you're into high-end rides, clean design, and real driving experiences, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything new from Lux Auto X. Today we're diving into the 2025 Lexus IS 350, a sedan that doesn't just follow trends, it carves out its own lane. The IS 350 continues to flex that sharp athletic Lexus design. From the bold spindle grille to those aggressive LED headlights, this car looks like it means business. It sits low, wide, and confident. A look that tells you it's not just about luxury, it's about driving. Under the hood, Lexus is sticking with its beloved 3.5-liter V6 engine. It delivers 301 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, giving you solid performance with a naturally aspirated feel that's becoming harder to find. Whether you're going rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, the power delivery is smooth, refined, and seriously satisfying. And when you're behind the wheel, it shows. The IS 350 isn't trying to be the fastest, it's aiming to be the most balanced. The steering feels direct, the suspension keeps things tight without being harsh, and if you go for the F-Sport trim, you'll get adaptive dampers and a sportier edge that brings the whole experience to life. Step inside, and Lexus once again proves it knows how to do interiors. High-quality materials, precise craftsmanship, and a layout that feels driver-focused without overwhelming you. The seats, especially in the F-Sport, are supportive, bolstered, and built for real driving. Tech-wise, you get a 10.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a full suite of safety features. Pre-collision warning, lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control. It's all here, and it all works seamlessly. The rear seats offer a decent amount of room for a compact luxury sedan, and the trunk gives you enough space for daily needs. This isn't an SUV, and it doesn't try to be one. It's a sedan with a purpose. Fuel economy clocks in at around 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. Not groundbreaking, but respectable for a naturally aspirated V6 with this level of performance. So who is the 2025 Lexus IS 350 really for? It's for the driver who wants something refined yet engaging. Someone who values build quality, long-term reliability, and the feeling of a car that's been engineered for the road, not just for the spec sheet. In a world where everything's going turbocharged, electrified, and overly digital, the IS 350 offers something a bit different. A car that still feels connected, still feels real. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Lexus IS 350. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is this the underrated gem of the luxury sedan world? Would you pick it over a BMW 3 Series or an Audi A4? If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car content right here on Lux Auto X. Thanks for riding with us. We'll see you in the next one.